Look at how we're going to do things here for the Carolina Panthers draft room. They built the guts of their team through the draft. We know that, all right? They've picked up some key free agents. Mike Tolbert, Ted Ginn going deep. Kurt Coleman played great at safety. And then guys that got in a trade doesn't get much better than picking up Greg Olsen at tight end, who became their primary receiver last year. So how does a team that went to the Super Bowl get a little bit better this year? Because what do you think that they should do at number 30 in the first round?
Well, for me, CD, you stick to the formula that got you there. And I look at what Ron Rivera is doing, running the football and playing defense. So I'm going to go with Derrick Henry right here at 30. Gives him, again, that 1-2 punch in the backfield to get that safety in the box. Play action pass, you can get the guys downfield throwing the football. I like Derrick Henry right there at 30. But now we move on to 62. CD, what do you have for me?
Well, I'll tell you what, if we move on to 62, because you got to think, if they don't get Derrick Henry at 30, if they don't go running back, they could go Alex Collins, maybe Jordan Howard, maybe even down over at 93, but maybe even offensive line.
Yeah.
Because I think at that point, that's going to be consideration both at 30 and at 62. I don't think you get Jermaine Ifedi at 62. I don't think you get Cody Whitehair at 62. Can you get Jason Spriggs at 62? Possibly, but I would say flip it over to the defensive side of the ball, because Von Bell would like to go there as a safety, and they want to get younger there. I don't know if they get him, but can they get T.J. Green from Clemson to go at 62 as a safety to help them get a little bit younger in the secondary? So we took a look at their first round, second round. Can they get a pass rusher now in the third round?
I think so. And I think that guy, maybe Calhoun.
Lee Calhoun at Michigan State, Sean Oakman out of Baylor. I think either one of them would be pretty terrific. I think if they could get Sean Oakman with that body type and somehow get him in the third round, although I may not get there, I think that would be a bonanza for them. But they got so many different possibilities. So we got names up here. William Jackson, if they decided to go in the first round.
Absolutely.
If they can finally find a way to get him. I don't know if they can. Can Carl Joseph be around for them at all? Maybe it's a second-round safety to make a decision with Green. But I think we've done pretty well for them, trying to give them some guys